Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Signal Messenger app and how to use it. This is open source messenger app. You can send files, images, videos. This is complete end-to-end encryption. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. Let's get started. As you can see, I am on the mobile screen. I am going to click on Play Store. In search, you have to type Signal. As you can see, Signal private messenger. Just click on this. As you can see, install button, just click on this. As you can see, install has started. After installation completes, you just click on open. Just click on continue. Just click on continue. Just click on allow. Allow. Just click on allow. Enter your mobile number. Just click on next. You will receive a verification code after that. Place OTP over here. Type your first name. I am going to type Sachin SJ. Just click on next. Create your PIN over here. PIN must be at least 4 digits. Just click on next. Re-enter your PIN. Just click on next. As you can see, homepage of Signal app. By clicking on this, you can set profile picture. As you can see, just click on right mark. Just click on right mark. As you can see, my profile picture. Place last name over here. I'm going to type SJ. Just click on save. As you can see, camera option. By clicking on this, you can capture photo like this. By clicking on this pencil option, you can find the people on Signal. As you can see, invite to Signal. By clicking on this, you can share with contacts. By clicking on this, as you can see 3 dots. By clicking on this, you can see new group. By clicking on this, you can make new group on your Signal Messenger app. As you can see right mark, I'm going to click on this. As you can see group name. By clicking on this, you can set group name. By clicking on this, you can set group profile picture. Thanks for watching.